Welcome to a week in my life. So I decided at your request on my Instagram to do a week in my life. So welcome. So I usually got up right around 8 a.m. I went to bed at 1 and my body woke me up an hour early. I've been up for 30 minutes. Hey, I guess in theory this kind of gives y'all like a room or apartment tour, but that was definitely like the second most asked for video, so that one's gonna come soon. I'm going to make some fresh coffee because yesterday's was actually not good, so I'm gonna put that out. Why did I kind of wanted to do like a separate video for you guys, becoming like a French press person as opposed to being a Keurig person, and just kind of like how I've been doing that, because I'm obviously not perfect at it yet, and I know that someone named Colby Poston is going to be telling me that I'm still doing it wrong even though he taught me. Scarfed that down. I think we're gonna do that first. I'm gonna take you guys to the roof. So hey, I was just doing some work on like a to-do list for the week. Gotta do some English homework, but like this is Charleston. Like, I think the thing that I like the most is like you're at the beach, but you don't have to be at the beach all the time to be at the beach. This is the life, and I'm gonna do some work and hang out here and listen to music. I put an Instagram post about this, but this is an old coffee container, not coffee, good lord. This is an old candle jar. See, it still has like the scent. Okay, I sat out there for a hot second and got some stuff done. So, time to go to the dance store now.
Tongue-tied again, how do I break it? A silence sits around the faces like so awkward to make it. I think that you like me, but I don't play maybes. So far deep inside my head again, what you probably thinking, shoot your shot, boy, give it a go. Words that happen, but you hear a no. If you don't, then you'll never know. I ain't got no time to wait. You don't get what you don't ask for. I just don't know how to.
Hi, I'm home now. I am making chicken nuggies in the air fryer because I was starving. So the plan for the rest of the, not for the rest of the day, but for the afternoon now is to continue to work through some school stuff here and there, kind of sprinkle it in between the fun stuff. But I'm gonna get on the porch and show you guys the new porch because you haven't seen it yet. It is adorable. And I'm gonna do some yoga out there. And now we drive to dance.
Like an egg.
I think we're all gonna look like eggs tonight. With our middle parts and our low buns. She's back.
Hey. Is it going?
Hi. Oh my god, my forehead looks
Did I make it? Oh.
Celsius check. Cheers. Okay, guys. So like and subscribe. We are here at Crunch Fitness. Hi vlog. Okay, so guys, comment down below what you want to see from us, and like up here, and
There's that girl that's giving you some ass again, but you ain't talking, no, you're flinching.
Good morning. I completely forgot that I was supposed to vlog. Hey. I don't know. I woke up this morning and I don't know, I just feel a little off, honestly. Having a really weird kind of anxiety day so far. I do have anxiety, and so kind of today just feels like I'm covered in just a pile of bricks. I think I really like this outfit, and I think I feel really good in it. It's like we're having a low rise moment. I've never done low rise. They're like a little baggy, the Levi's. We have like bikini top under, tie top. I have my Nike blazers on. I like this. Oh, I'm in a moment of crisis. We're like struggling to put together outfits right now. Why is your squish tucked in? Oh, you tucked in the strawberry.
I just put my sheets, you know.
Ready? It's not breaking anything.
It's good enough.
Now you have to do a close-up. Your teeth are really good. Now we are trying to find places to take Instagram pictures. So we're going towards the Battery. It looks like there's a traffic jam at every corner. Yeah! We're in a little neighborhood off of the Battery. Nope. What a recovery. Let's see if it'll focus. Okay, we're good. We're good. We're good. We're good. Beautiful! Perfectly executed. Welcome to the roof. The music's playing. Oh, welcome to the roof. I kind of want to go over there. I've never been over there. Over there?
This is what happens. This is what happens when you get the soggy meat.
Sofritas.
Sofritas. Is that what you got, or
Yes.
or do you get carnitas?
I actually don't know the difference.
I'm pretty sure sofritas is not meat.
Oh, then I got carnitas. And it's just moist.
And that's what I said in the Chipotle. I said, I'm pretty sure it's veggies. And you said no.
Well, because it's barbacoa, that's what I thought it was. That's what I thought it was, but that's not what it is.
It had the little V next to it, which means vegan. That's why I said it was probably some sort of veggie.
Tongue-tied again. How do I break it? A silence sits around the faces like so awkward to make it. I think that you like me, but I don't play maybes. So far deep inside my head again, what you probably thinking? Shoot your shot, boy, give it a go. Words that happen, if you hear a no. If you don't, then you'll never know. I ain't got no time to wait. Don't get what you don't ask for. I just don't know how to bring it up and let you